Rolling Stones. Let's learn this, the parts of this song. The keyboards start out playing this at the 9th fret, playing the top 3 strings. That is C sharp minor. This is C minor. Go down to 7, that's B minor. And then at 6, it's B flat minor. But you're going 8, 7, no, 9, 8, 7, 6. That's what the keyboards are doing. And then when the guitar comes in, it's actually playing an A chord, A-shaped chord. Playing. This is E. So the keyboards are playing minor and the guitar is playing major chords, and that's kind of what this song does. It mixes up major and minor. Okay, and then the main riff is this one that Keith Richards likes. This is C sharp, major. We're playing D, G, B at the 6th fret. And then what he does is he hammers on these 2 fingers. This one on the D string at 8, and this one on the B string at 7. That's a lot of the verse, is just him, Keith Richards playing that. And then the other thing they do is what I'm doing is I'm hammering 6 to 8, and then I play that C sharp, A-shaped C sharp, and then I do the hammer, and I pull off. Alright, that's the main part of the verse. And then they finish each verse by going A, B, A at the 5, B at the 7, and then they go that hammer on. A. Been bitten out, bad boy. Every she ran into town. Alright, that's how they end the each verse with that refrain. I'm not doing like a playthrough of the song because I don't want to get hit with a copyright claim. And then later in the song, there's a bridge, and it goes to the key of E. B, E, B, A, B. It's like a piano solo. E, B. Then it goes into the I'm a monkey. Alright, that's how you play that song. Thanks for watching. Bye.